this is Chad. This is Trout Patrolling. We're headed out on Lake Michigan today. Word on the street is cohos are south of Sheboygan. We're going to go try to find them. It's been a rough spring so far. Weather's been excellent. However, the fishing for me has not been so great. I think I've been out like maybe 3-4 times. Nothing spectacular. I tried my old Green Lake, and you know, some trips, like most trips, I got like one fish, and I don't think I got skunked there. Then I went out on Lake Michigan a couple days ago. I just couldn't find them. I did my best. We hooked into one fish which got off. After looking at my little torpedo camera, I saw that we had some other follow-ups and stuff like that, trolling, but just no dice. Hopefully I'm solo today. That's going to make it even a little harder in that I'm going to be limited to 3 lines, but we're going to give it our best. I'm going to head south. Hopefully we can find some cohos. Supposedly, well, apparently they are here. People are getting limits. Just Trout Patrolling's on the struggle bus at the moment. Hopefully I can make a video with some fish today, but I don't know. We got to break this streak. All right. Hopefully we'll see you back shortly. Trout Patrolling out. Well, we had something on here, but it's been short-lived, whatever it was. Unless it's still there. If it is, it's super small. Yeah, there's something back there. Maybe? Maybe not. Yeah, he's jumping. Alright, that's good. That's good. Now he's off. Son of a beat. Oh no, there he is. Okay, it's not a monster, but it's a start. Start to the day. And that's on a spoon. Well, do we net them? Do we be cautious and net them? I think we net them so we don't lose them. Oh, yeah, good thing we netted them. He came right off. What do we want to keep today? You know what? We're going to put some fish in the cooler today. Just since it's early spring, I have no salmon in the freezer at all. Yeah, nice little spring coho. That's a nice little eater. So, big cow! Big cow! Oh, he spit it. Ah, he jumped. I saw him jumping and he spit it. Bummer. All right, time to get it reset. Oh, he is jumping like crazy. little fish, nice little fish. Come on, fishy. There we go. Nice. Oh, yeah, that's a nice fish. Woo! All right. There we go on Trout Patrolling. That is a nice fish. Beautiful, just pretty. Fish on, fish on. Fish. Another nice fish. Whew. So coho. Oh, these are nice fish this year. They're all nice little chunkers. Oh, nice fish. Fishy, fishy! Come on, fish. Another nice fish. Another nice fish. Missed. You just developed that. Ooh, that's a chunker. That is a chunker again. Nice fish. All right. He's a little chunker. It's a beautiful fish. Fish on! Fish on! Jumping back there, he's jumping, he's trying to get away! Fish on! Fish on! Oh, I'm marking a lot of fish on the bottom here too. Oh, that's like the last 3 or 4 hits or fish have been on this one rod. They must be right on the surface. Another nice fish. Nice fish. Rainbow again. So rainbow. Trolling for you. It's been a good day out here. That's number 5, so that's it. I'm done fishing. Trophy trolling out. Have a great day. Well, that is it for today. We got our limit. Just finished pulling all the poles. We are going to call it a day. Didn't take too long, half a day fishing maybe. I went, I believe, 5 for 9 on the day. Not super hot and heavy. Fish were kind of all spread out, but you know what? I'll take that. I'm not going to complain. 5 fish for the day, all nice fish. Take them in. I think I'll get them smoked. I got a party coming up. And thanks for tuning in for Trophy Trolling. Primarily, all my trolling today was between 120 and 160 feet of water south of Sheboygan, between Oostburg and Cedar Grove. Speeds were about 2.2 to 2.6 on the surface graph. I didn't put the fish hawk down. Dodgers with peanut flies and an orange spoon were what took the fish. 2 colors of lead core and 2 rods. The one higher rod, which caught the most fish, had a snap weight, which was 2 ounces, with a Dodger and a peanut fly. So great day of fishing, good action, nice for a quick outing for a solo limit. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching Trophy Trolling. Let's head her in, shall we?